Hi, this is Alan Chan. I'm the owner of the Lightning Gravity Gaming Company, and I'm trying to show you how to um saving and passing the variable within through the multiple scenes. Um, it's like before I was doing passing variable one, it's only two objects only uh, or multiple object if that works for you. But next time is passing variables to another scenes, which you must save variables. Um, yeah, but it doesn't have to be passing. You're not supposed to pass through script with like object to oriented to another object oriented because it's not possible almost. Then you just have to save it and just reload it only. That's what you're supposed to do. So I'd rather not make it while doing it to show it to you because it might be taking a bit too long. In this video, I'm just going to show you how it looks like instead. And so far, I finished learning everything how to make a small video game. So I'm pretty sure I can finish the Mile race game, even including the art stuff when the Blender 2.8 released it. Um, so I want to show how it looks like. So far, it will show you red, and when you switch to another scene two, um, we switch back to see it's saved back to red. When you change the color, change scene, back to again is save and load to the green back. And you can click it as much as you can. Save is automatically save scene order that time. Load back to right color. Yeah, like those, no tricks or anything. I'll try to show you how to make it, but always remember build settings. Remember to add open scenes. So scene one, like down here, scene one, scene two. When you click it, it don't have to be open scene down here. File, open scene. You can just click it down here. That's my scene two project. On this scene one project, you just open, click it down here. It's much more faster. Um, so what this is class one. Yeah. Um, so far I save by not by binary because it's the same, but it just save by player pref is so much easier sometimes. And remember, I was saving by materials only. Um, yeah, but you cannot save by materials. You only can save by int numbers or float numbers or strings, words, text only. That's the only thing you can save in. But you can save in as matching the int numbers that you can like 0 as means that is red color. If it's one number, then it'd be green color. If it's two or something, then it'd be blue color. But so I didn't create a blue color instead. So that's why it's just mix and matching the right number to get the right components, material color or something like those, or anything like those. This is just the changing scene. Like in scene one, change to scene two. By importing using Unity Engine scene management package, by importing this package down here, um, you can always use the API down here. It's always useful. Like a lot of stuff down here, AI and stuff that I don't know them all yet. Uh, yeah, yeah, so far this is the saved okay. Um, this one is a button class that I purposely use for flipping around true and false. Flipping around true and false. If it's false, no, it's not false. Well, it's kind of false, but I have to be int, save as int instead of int result. If int result equals 0, then, then if I press the button, then it goes once only. Then equal with 0 equals to, if it's 0, then equal to 1. If it's not 0, then equal to 1 equal to 0. You mean just flipping around as I press the button like this one. Pressing the top button, color one. Then it was flipping true and false kind of thing, but just flipping 1 and 0. You can go numbers in order if you have a case, if case or something, I think. Uh, Actually, no. It depends how many times you press, I guess. If you want to add a blue color instead, but I didn't try it out yet, so I'm not quite sure yet. Well, all I know is just flipping around ones and zeros only. Yeah. But you have to, if you want to add a third one, it's not called flipping anymore. It's called like this. How many times you press, and if it's maxed out a number, then equal to back to zero or something. Yeah, that's what it looks like. But I didn't do this one, that one yet. I didn't because I didn't add a third color. I'm just testing out how to save this to the next scene only. So this is Blue class, and this is Script class 1. So Script class 1 is down here. Script class 1 is this script. Then I drag into the first button with this class. Yeah, this one, and put the setting as bool this one. So it means this button will always flipping around. Yeah, and that's the first thing you should make. Then you create a changing color afterwards by creating those two materials. By this one, create material and change the color to green, all green, if you like to, or all red, or if you like to again, whatever color you want to. Then you must put this in public, uh, inside a script when you put, not that's a scene, when you put this in, whoops, when you put in scene, oh that's the second one. Uh, no, this one down here, yeah. Yeah, you put this two so class two is down here. It's not really chance. You don't have to put anything like result down here to down here. You just have to save and load properly. That's it. Okay. Get is load. Set is save. I want to tell you that each time you press flipping around the zero and ones, then you have to save each time and load it back as start afterwards. Else you by sense when you load it as back to start means like this. Scene, then you might lower back to start without double clicking it sometimes by accident. Yeah. You have to reload the right variable by saying result um the load result. If the load result is equal to 1, put back this result back to 1. If it's the load result was 0 from before when you reloaded, then put back to result equal to 0 again. Or else this thing flipping one would be some error by saying double clicking it or something like those. Because you didn't start the right number. Then you get confused by itself, then you have to double click it and got the right one by accident. Yeah. And update load if the the load result, not this class result. It was the load result that you recently just saved from down here. Here, player prefs. Then get component and change the color to matte material green and change the material red. If that was if red is 0 and 1 is green. Yeah, so put the script 2 down here and drag in those two materials like that from before. It must be public. Uh, yeah, remember not to save the material. Save is the um integer, float, or string only. You cannot actually really save the material even through binary saving. Another way of saving it instead of player prefs. You only can save numbers and words only. Uh, yeah, remember button 2 is switch scenes. I don't know how to explain even much more clearly anymore. The other stuff is those basic concept. You just drag the object, empty object down here and put this scene like this. Um, the code looks pretty clear that I described it. I might describe too fast for beginners only. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna switch in another scene. This is double check what I'm missing. This is switch scenes only. I'm not sure. Yeah. This is switching scene. This is switching scene back and forth. Only kind of like flipping around, like algorithms. But this is a simple algorithm. Button. This is switch scene. This one, like you say, scenes down here. I think that's around it. Yeah. This. Let me try. It, yeah. Yeah. This. Yeah. So you always go back to the right color if I change screens. That's just how do you save it. The most basic concept of saving and changing scene at the same time. It's kind of like passing through the variables. If you win the game and check the records, check back your own high score or something like those in the next scenes. So that's how you pass on the variables by saving only, not really saving by the script or something. Except for saving inside the script. I think that's basically around it. And always remember to save it as 002 with underscore. So if you made 1,000 of files like saving versions, then it's like fourth digit. Then like for example, if you buy since for example, let me just show you an example. Um, for example, this is in order. Uh, when you save the file and click refresh. I'm just gonna teach you some extra stuff. Um, yeah, we cross the number to 1,000, and it's still in order. But if you put in this one, it will be off in order. If you say plus one down here, then this number will put it down here. If you're saving the files in order, that's why I'm trying to tell you why I always put 001. Yeah, then it'd be off order. Then all of a sudden you start and save files down like here, here. That's why I always had to add extra zeros in case you overlapped it by another digit, like dot dot dot. Uh, 009, then 010, like that. Like those order fashion. Just put more zeros if you trying to make like 1,000 files or something. But I don't think anyone will save that much version just to back up your own files that much. Yeah, that's a telling one big hint. Yeah, yeah, okay, thank you, see ya.